Hey, Gunny J here. I took my drone up yesterday here in the backyard. Lots of obstacles, trees, all kinds of stuff. And really no flat land, except for up there to fly off from. And doggone thing said GPS failed or something, and it asked an auto land. It's supposed to come back from where it started. I pressed auto land, and the drone kept on flying the other way, and it was saying bad things. Uh-oh. Says it's going back to the launch location. Her, the sexy thing. Vicky's over there. Vicky, you don't want to know this. There you go. Here you go. Hey, Mickey. Was it really returning to the launch location? I don't know what the hell that was. Everything's fine. It did return to the launch location, but I didn't know that it climbed another 50 feet before it decides to come on in. I knew it was dangerous to do this, but the most dangerous thing, it turns out, is landed in poop. Oh, but she's fine. She's fine. Tough little bird with a tough little dog. I have to say that was actually kind of fun. Gunny J. Oh, Happy New Year! Gunny J out.